Hey pet parents, today we will be unboxing an anti-bark collar by HUSHPUP. A bark correction collar reduces unwanted interruptions from your furry friend, so there is no more barking, whining, yelping while you're on your Zoom meeting or trying to sleep. The best thing about the HUSHPUP bark correction collar is that it's no pain, no strain. So of course, it's no pain to your pet. It uses a series of sounds and vibrations to train your pet on acceptable behavior. This collar comes with 7 different correction levels that automatically progress with continued barking. It uses a combination of sounds and vibrations until it finds just the right one to stop your dog from waking the neighbors. I was really excited to get this little package here because my puppy, as much as I love him dearly, he can be a little bit annoying, especially at night. So knowing that this collar will correct his behavior without causing him any pain will help me and the neighbors to sleep better at night. In my package, I received this really cool and modern looking collar, which is adjustable, and on the package it says that it adjusts from dogs small to large. So this is what it looks like, and it has this cute little blue HUSHPUP logo on the front, and it has the receptors which will deliver the vibrations to their old pup. This no shock collar comes with the tiniest little dashboard you've ever seen, and on it you can use to select the sound, the level of the sound, turn the collar on, and also select the desired level of vibration in order to correct your pup. At the base of the collar, it comes with an easy to use, convenient USB port for charging. I'm excited to try out the bark correction collar from HUSHPUP. So I'm hoping that this will help me to correct his bad barking behavior, especially at nights. So join me while I try this collar out on Pumpkin, and until next time, this is where I leave you for another product unboxing. Ciao!